Oh. I'm Hamish, but a lot of people sometimes they call me Chwana or Bantu. Okay, I'm Chwana Bantu. Now let's get started. So there's a lot of new ones here. Okay, if you're new, come right here. Okay, you see right here, there's a red button, subscribe. Let's go. Follow me in all the social media. Let's get started, man. So now question number 4. If you're first new, you know what I'm saying? That's how you go. Question number 4. Shrink the graph of g of x equal to. They give you absolute. You know what I'm saying? They give absolute of x. What do they want you to do? You say, oh, okay. So they give you g of x equal to that's given. They say shrink the graph vertical by factor. Oh, so what you gonna shrink? I'm gonna take this and shrink. Okay. Now let's go. So you shrunk something. You see this value here. Why do they say shrunk? Why do they say shrunk? Because this number here is between 0 and 1. So this number here, 1 over 6 is between 0 and 1 because you take 1 over 6 is like 0.16 point something. So it's between 0 and 1. That's what they call shrunk. But for stretch, if let's say it was 2 here, then you stretch. Stretch is any number which is not in this range. Means like, for example, you say -3. So they could have said stretch the graph vertical by what they could have said stretch the graph vertical by the factor of what of -3. Why we say stretch? Because the number is not in the range of 0 and 1. Or it could be, let's say, 4. So if any number like 1 over 6 is between 0 and 1, that's why you can put a calculator. 1 over 6 is going to give you 0.16, whatever. So 0 point something is in between 0 and 1. That's why they say what? Stretch by this factor. Okay, so they say shrunk by this factor because this number is in between here. But it could have been stretched if the number, let's say, is not in this way. Let's get started. So that's not part of the question. Now we say shrunk the graph vertical by the factor. Okay. So I'm gonna say okay. Take this one now. Shrunk the graph vertical by the factor of 1 over 6. Graph vertical by the factor of 1 over 6. What is a graph? Our graph is g of x. So I'm gonna take a g of x which is equal to this. What is g of x? This is g of x. Oh, okay. By the factor of 1 over 6. So say g of x, which equal to this, will multiply by factor of 1 over 6. Now I'm saying, I said x. There we go. Reflect the obtained graph. This is the obtained graph. Reflect about x-axis. What is x-axis? When you reflect, means if it's positive, become negative, become positive on x-axis. Okay? So when you reflect, this is going to become -1 over 6, and then it's going to become g of x. Now the last one, shift the transformed graph. This is a transformed graph. We have to shift. How are we going to shift? Vertical 5 units. When you shift vertical, either you plus or you minus. But if someone said you go downward, means negative. Okay, so 5 unit downward means minus 5 over 6 downward. So the final transformed graph is going to be, our final transformed graph is going to be -1 over 6 what g of x minus 5 over 6. But we can write the common denominator here. You know what I'm saying? What is a common denominator? We can say negative, a common denominator is 6, so 6 for both, and then it's going to be g of x. Here, man. Negative. So this must be negative. Excuse me. So what happened? Negative for both. So here I can say g of x, and that's g of x, and then we plus, because there's a negative and negative, we get 5, and then common factor is 6. But g of x we know. What is g of x? Negative we have is absolute of x. G of x is absolute of x, and then plus 5, and then we over 6. Come on, man.